Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, December 15, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, December 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 15, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 15, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for December 15, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, December 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.